the English. You know I love boy, I enjoy nights in Brixton. Shortage in the afternoon. What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Mark your attendance where you're watching me from. This is a trading assembly, and you know how we do it. You're always here every night. Tell me, how has your day been? How has your day been? This is a trading assembly. And I am trading binary options. Currently, I am looking at gold OTC chart. We are already moving. Alexander, good to see ya. Romeo, good to have you. Wesley, oh my god. Hafizi, good to see ya. Oh, there is a true. I fancy you. Guys, tell me, have you looked at your charts today? Do you have any traders that have moved their markets today? Chine, good to see ya. Sway, good to see ya. Hi, Dari, good to have you. Today I'm happy. I'm always happy, guys. What are you talking about? I'm always happy. Tell me, Wesley, how is your day moving for you? Yeah, like my outfit. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. You know how we always moving. You're free. We are here to learn. So share your experience. How has your day been? Have you looked at your charts? Did you have a positive day? Oh my god, let us get some good entries. Someone comment locked in. I need you guys locked in. You know how we be moving. Get your notebooks, because I don't want to be sharing tips and you're leaving them there. Get your notebook, take these tips when you're in your sessions. Practice. You all know trading is all about building a skill. So if you don't build your skill, you're gonna be remaining in the same place. So the more you are locked in and consistently showing up, the better your skill is gonna get at. With nothing but your t-shirt on. But your t-shirt on. With nothing but your t-shirt. 'Cause I miss you. With nothing but your t-shirt. Said I miss you, baby. Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I couldn't even leave my apartment. I'm stripped down, torn up about it. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Sick of this stress and these challenges. Taking them off 'cause I feel a fool. Trying to dress up when I'm missing you. Ivan, you're locked in. I can see. I need more traders locked in. How to execute the trade knowing it is not breakout and you follow support and I'm not really getting okay. So if you're going to really execute a trade and it is not on support or resistance, that means you're really looking at other confluences. Like I always tell you guys, It's not like always, because my strategy contains candlestick patterns and most of my entries are based on to enter with candlestick patterns. It doesn't mean that I cannot also execute entries based on that. So if you are executing not a breakout trade, that means you're really executing based on some other confluence. Yeah, let me hope you get that daily memes. Let me hope you've got what you're asking. Whenever you're executing, of course, there are very many things we always look at as traders. So sometimes it's going to be a candlestick pattern. Sometimes I'm going to just enter purely on market structure. Sometimes I'm going to just enter based on the momentum I'm anticipating in the market. So any trader, they have reasons why you would take a particular entry. You just have to be understanding what you're doing and if it's following your strategy. You regret the day when I find another girl, yeah. You know just what I need, know just what I mean. When I tell her keep it drama free. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Told you that I'm leaving. Whoa. I know you're mad was the word. I wish you best of luck. Now I'm finna throw them juices. Guys, I had a beautiful day. It is you to tell me how have you spent your day? How are you spending your day? Jerome, good to see ya. Do you have any traders that looked at their chats? Guys, it's a fresh week. It's a fresh week. No time to give excuses. It's time to give executions. Yeah. You can't call yourself a trader when you're not really looking at your charts. How is your skill going to develop? How is your skill going to grow if you're not consistent? Text 2 times, call cause I care, but I ain't getting no reply. Trying to see eye to eye, but it's like we both blind. Let's hit the club. I rarely sit, but poke me some. Cause when it's all said and done, I ain't gonna be the one that she can always run to. I hate liars, love, I'm tired of trying. My heart big, but it be quiet. I don't never feel like we vibing, cause every time we alone, it's an awkward silence. So leave your keys on the kitchen. I look at the chats after 5 minutes. Why don't you look at it throughout the entire time? Honestly, one thing I realized when it comes to trading, if you are in your session, you have to be fully locked in. Yeah, to avoid like locked in without any distractions. A trader who locks in for about 2 hours is much better than a trader who trades the entire day but they are not really fully locked in. That's one thing I can say. Just ignore those 2 hours or 3 hours. They are fully dedicated to the market. My shorty always on some wood like Chicago, so I flip that and the index finger follow. Deuces, we ain't got Raphael, good to see ya. Teacher Lee, what's up? What's up? The other chick I'm with never complaining. She make me want to leave the one I'm with Usher Raymond. Ivan, good to see ya. How much did you I mean, if you are a trader and you know how trading comes with very much freedom, it doesn't matter. No one is going to crucify you with what you're supposed to start with. You're supposed to start with what you are really capable. You know the rule to trading. We only trade capital that you're willing to lose because you know it very well. Trading is very risky, and being a market participant, it is risky. So you consider trading with what you are capable of losing, so that in case the markets are really turned against you, it doesn't affect you at all. But no one is going to really dictate the amount you're gonna be needing. No, there isn't anywhere in trading where they're going to be dictating for you what you need to deposit on your account. You go with what you're capable of and what you feel like you can manage.
Am I mad? I don't get it. It seems like every time you give me signs and I miss it.
I did it again.
I admit it. I left you standing there.
All right, guys, our buys are really closing well here. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Says Mark, good to see ya. Charles, good to have you. I should have kissed you.
I should have told you just how I feel.
Next time I won't stop.
I listen to my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you.
My strategy is simple. It is price action, so all my entries are based on that. It's all about watching the market to know which market are you dealing with. Watching structure to know when to take a pullback entry, a continuation entry, a breakout entry, any kind of entry. It all depends on how you are watching market structure and how you're reading the market. Also understanding the most recent price action, that is looking at the most recent highs and lows that are formed in the market. Understanding candlestick patterns and how you can use them.
How come every time I get the chance I lose my cool and I blow it, and I get all tongue-tied, lost in your eyes. I'm a fool and I know it. Hey,
I should have kissed you.
I should have told you just how I feel. And next time I won't stop.
I listen to my heart.
'Cause what I feel
The things I always look at whenever I'm going to execute. So if we are in a bullish market and we have got a breakout, we have got a break of structure. And by break of structure in a bullish market, it means the market just taking out a high. Yeah, so whenever you see the market taking out the most recent high in a bullish market, that is a break of structure. You see a valid break of structure in the market when you see a candle closing above for a bullish market, closing above the zone, the high. So immediately you see a break of structure, like any trader, we all know after a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. So even you in your mind, you start thinking of a pullback most likely to happen. Pullbacks do not happen, guys, immediately after a break of structure. And just seeing one single red candle, that doesn't justify that the market has pulled back. You would want to see more selling candles appearing in the market, and you would want to see also a candlestick pattern that is formed after a break of structure. For example, you get a break of structure and you see a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern followed by another bearish candle and more candles. That is a valid break of structure compared to just seeing one candle.
Girl, I should have kissed you. I should have told you just how I feel. And this time I won't stop until I have your heart.
Okay, let us get more buys and see how it goes. And guys, like I always tell you, when you get a move, please capitalize. Trading is all about taking the risk. So there are moments where you have to capitalize and you get the bag.
You got me sipping on something I can't compare to nothing I've ever known. I'm hoping that after this fever I'll survive. I know I'm acting a bit crazy, strung out a little bit hazy. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it out alive.
Yes. So buyers are really moving the market. You can see structure. It's bullish just by looking at it. I mean, you're not bullish market when you just see the market moving upwards, and you see valid structure of a bullish market when the market is continuously taking out highs and maintaining the lows.
You got me scattered in pieces, shining like stars and screaming, lighting me up like Venus. But then you disappeared and made me wait, and every second's like torture. Hell, I can take no more, so finding a way to let go. Baby, no, I can't escape. The bed's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not allowed till you call. But the odds against it.
Joe, good to see ya. Mom, yeah, good to have you. Traders told me I got a question for you. What are the best entries for you to take? Continuation entries or pullback entries? What are the best and the easiest entries for you to always take? Tell me.
This is a modern fairy tale, no happy ending, no wind in our sails, but I can't imagine a life without breathless moments, breaking me down, down. It's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not alive until you call. And I'll bet the odds against it all. Save your advice, cause I won't hear.
Traders, tell me, what are your best entries to take? Like the entries you feel like it's so easy. Is it a continuation entry or pullback entries? Share your views, traders. I want to know what's the easiest move for you to capture, a continuation or a reversal move? Oh my god, damn.
My heart is in Havana. He took me back to East Atlanta.
Okay, let us get some more moves. Alright, I can see continuation entries. We have 3 votes. And pullback entries, we have 1 vote. So I need more traders sharing which one is the best or the easiest way for you to trade, taking continuation entries or pullback entries. Which one is easier for you? I need to get more views. My heart is in Havana.
He took me back to East Atlanta. All of my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana. Havana.
Just graduated, fresh on campus. Fresh out East Carolina with no mountains. Fresh out East Carolina.
Okay, I can see most of you guys went to the continuation side. Literally, we have only 2 traders that can confirm that pullback entries, they are easier for them. But the guys, actually, surprisingly, when I was struggling, to trade, I mean, I'm talking about the phase whereby I have the strategy, I know what to do. It was actually always easier for me still to take. Okay, I feel like I that period I took more pullback entries compared to continuation. But actually, the more I locked in myself, the more I decided to lock in, I realized continuation entries, they were much easier, and most likely, whenever I took continuation entries, most likely they really, most of them, chances of them looking into profit were higher compared when I was taking pullback entries. So anything that is working for you should stick with that. So for all the traders that are saying that reversal are easier and they find continuation it's hard, all you have to do is to perfect what you feel like you know. You first perfect what you feel like that you know, and you feel like you're so comfortable with that. You can focus on that, and if you want to get better, that's when you start considering looking at the other side of the trades. You can really start just with one side. I mean, you only take continuation, and once you fully perfected continuation entries and you feel like you are good at that, I mean, even if they wake you up at any time, you can get a continuation move. Then you can also start considering looking for pullbacks. If you find no reason why you should, then you shouldn't. I mean, trading is all about getting comfort in your personal trading and not just comparing yourself with other traders in a way, because these ones are taking continuation and me, I finding reversals easier could be a problem. Now, trading is all about ease.
Popping pills is all we know. In the hills is all we know. Don't go through the front door. It's low key at the night show. So don't you open up that window. Don't you let out the antidote. Yeah, party on a Sunday. Do it all again on my
Break of structure and continuation. Actually, that's nice. That's nice. I mean, actually, that is the easiest way you can trade.
I just hit a 3-peat. Fuck 3 hours I met.
You wait for the market to break structure. It gives a pullback, and after a pullback, if the market has not taken out a low for a bullish market, then you can start looking for a continuation. And if the market has taken out in a bearish market, if the market pulls back and doesn't take out a high, that's when you start looking for continuation entries.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out the antidote. Popping pills is all we know. In the hills is all we know.
The key is to know when to take continuations and to take pullback entries. With continuation, even after a break of structure, you can still get a continuation entry, because, like I already said, when the market does just broke structure, it doesn't mean it immediately gives you a pullback move. It could still continue actually going up for a bullish market for some time, because we have those instances where the market breaks structure but it doesn't give you a pullback immediately. It takes a few minutes before it gets into a pullback.
Anything happen at the night show. Everything happen at the night show. Ooh, at the night show.
But I can see guys, continuation traders, you are quite many.
Ooh, your bitch not at home, she at the night show. Ooh, fucking right home. Ooh, had to catch a flight for the night show. Ooh, let's get right though. Bottles got us right though. We ain't sipping light no. I ain't got no time though. Only got one night though. We can do it twice though. It's lit.
Interesting. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn.
Stacking up day-to-day, young nigga, you know you gotta go get it, my nigga. They hating, they sticking, they waiting. Don't be mistaken, we dying, they stand. Lord, I'm on fire, they thinking I'm safe. Calling me crazy on different occasions, kicking the cameraman off on my stages, cause I don't like how he snapping my angles. I'm overboard and I'm over impatient. Over my niggas and these, cause my agents dealing with motion that's more complicated. Like these two bitches that might be related. H-Town, you got one. And you gonna be like a number one. It's late night, got a late show. If you wanna roll, I got a place where popping pills is all we know. In the hills is all we know. Don't go through the front door. It's low key at the night show. So don't you open up that window. Don't you let it go.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can
Now we
always
say what's on your mind.
Are you on your way home? I warm up your plate when you arrive. And you go take off your shoes, hot water in the tub for you. Don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on it, entertain. I'm down to do the little things. Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. The good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing when our schedules aren't aligning. That's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Right here when you're waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and now scrambled up.
Feel free to ask any trading question.
Pancakes, bacon, no J on the
Shaki.
side.
All right. Someone said I'm beautiful. Thank you. How are you doing? How are you guys? Tell me, how have you spent your day today? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts today? And tell me, how was it for you? I see you trying and I don't know how. Guys, tell me, how have you spent your day today? Honestly, it's a fresh week, so no excuses. No excuses. You had every reason to show up. Okay, guys, these are continuation entries. You can see the market has been giving us bearish structure. And you all know, if you're in a bearish market, the easiest way to trade a bearish market is by taking continuation moves. I never thought I'd end up with a mama dreams, you're really him.
I don't mind taking time, baby, I'm down to do the little things. I'm down to do the little things. I'm down to do the little things.
So whenever you're in a bullish market, in a bearish market, the easiest way you can trade is taking continuation entries. And for all the traders that told me they prefer taking continuation entries, you know how we do it. You wait for a pullback. As long as the market does not take out the most recent high in a bearish market, and it just gives you a bearish candle signal, that's enough for you to start taking sales. I mean, that's how we be trading a bearish market. And for a pullback traders, you all know, after the market breaking structure to the downside, you start anticipating buyers kicking in and you wait. You don't immediately take pullback entries there. You wait until the market gives you a bullish confirmation for that pullback, and once you get it, it can be a bullish pin bar, bullish engulfing, just a bullish candle showing you momentum, and another bullish candle closing above it. All those can be strong reasons for you to take pullback entries. To know key levels when I'm trading, as a price action trader, my key levels are where highs and lows are. Where highs and lows are in the market. So those are the key areas. I have to remind you guys that we don't only trade with the indicator. I use the indicator plus price action, and this is price action where I see key levels from. With the indicator, whenever I'm using it, I just want to see either a breakout to the top side for me to start anticipating buyers in the market, or a breakout to the downside for me to start anticipating sellers in the market. Rehab. Okay, someone is saying I've received 10 losses today. Sorry about that. Let me hope they have not really wiped up your account. Because to be honest, I also really, when I'm executing, there are those entries that they do not always close in a plus. So as a trader, losses should not be a big deal if they have not really affected your account so much. Taking 10 losses from a market whereby your account has not really been downside so much, it isn't so bad. So don't feel so bad about that. It should only be bad if those losses have really wiped you out completely. So tell me, what happened? What happened? Did the 10 losses blow your account, or they were just... Because as a trader, you should know one thing: losses are part of the game. And the earlier you really get to understand that, the better you're trading. You're going to really focus more on your wins than on your losses. Because if you get 10 losses, but your entries were, let me say you made 50 entries, 10 ended up in a loss, maybe some just ended up at break even. Honestly, that's not bad. That cannot be bad. Just 10 trades out of 50 that ended closed badly. All you have to know is losses are part of the game. The key is to minimize them with risk management and ensuring your account is not wiped out completely to zero.
She said dumb shit. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away because I think I might love you.
I love you, Mary Jane.
But I know what this could be. Airing out my history for you.
I gotta, Sean.
You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem,
Can I get someone to love?
I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem.
Can I get someone to love?
Been around Game. Been around the fame. Been around the money. Been around some names. But the Chico's still the same. Some things never change. Here's a tip. Show me your friends. I'll show you your future. Keep it changed. I've seen them come and go. I've seen them sell their souls. You my number one draft pick. Baby, let's pick and roll. I always keep you up on a pedestal.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. Yeah, we are here to learn. My strategy is simple. It's price action.
But I know what this could be. Airing out my history for you.
I got option. Can I get someone to love? Can I get someone to love?
They looking for the perfect man. They looking for the perfect life. They take some perfect pics. They want some perfect dick, but ain't nothing perfect. Girl, no such thing as a perfect world. These broads try hard to be who they not and not who they are. Baby, you sweating what? Baby, you sweating who? You talking about such and such? Who tries to be you? Man, you JFK. Mommy, you out your man. Misery loves company. I'll tell you one more time. A whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away because I think I might love you.
To be the man. Oh my God. Okay, let us get another better entry. Can I get someone to love?
Baby, you know we got a strong time. So stop thinking about the wrong things. You know we got a strong time. So stop thinking about
what specific part of price action do you trade with? Because price action is broad. That is true, Ethan. Price action is broad and you cannot really be putting everything together. You have to pick a few concepts and you go with them. And with me, the few concepts I really look at, it is understanding the market conditions. That is understanding, am I in a bearish market? Am I in a bullish market? Am I in a bullish market? Am I in a sideways market? Because if I can easily answer that, that means the way I execute is also going to be dependent of that, knowing which market condition I'm in. The other thing I always look at for is market structure. If you can easily tell a bullish market, then also identifying its market structure is going to be easier. And when it comes to market structure for a bullish market, the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows, and it is continuously breaking the highs and maintaining the lows. So for a bullish market, the most strong point that we look at are the lows, because they were strong enough to push the market high to break structure. So that means that low is protected. And the moment the low is taken out in a bullish market, you are to start anticipating sellers in the market right away, because that is a change in structure. The other thing I always look out for, and my entries are mainly refined with candlestick patterns. We all know candlestick patterns. They're going to show you if the market is getting into a continuation, if it's getting into a reversal, if it's just giving you a pullback based on the candlestick, that pattern that you're looking at. When it comes to candlestick patterns, you're looking at key areas, and key areas in the market as a price action trader, you're looking at the highs and the lows. So that's what I'm always looking out for, and you have to be continuously looking for it. It's not something that you look at the beginning of your trading session. Every single time you're looking at your chart, your mind has to be processing those things if they are already your confluences in that strategy. And this is crazy. Try to brief me, but here's my number. This is crazy. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. How do you manage risk? So call me maybe. The first rule to managing risk, it is knowing your account size. Honestly, the way you manage risk on a capital with big capital, on an account with big capital is not the same way you're going to be managing risk on an account with little capital. So the first goal you have to do is to know your account size. Then the other thing is to trade according to that. Honestly, the easiest way you can manage risk is to first knowing to deal with your psychology. And the psychological thing you have to think about whenever you're trading is, I'm doing this for me. I am trading for me, so I'm not proving anything. So because most of the times what takes us out as traders, it is greed. I mean, you find yourself you want to do more on a very small account. So instead of your account containing that entries, it just ends up really getting overwhelmed, and you just any small time the market going against you, the account is entirely gone. So me personally, whenever I'm starting out to trade, you guys are already seeing, I start risking small based on my account size. And if I feel like my account has grown to a certain level, that's when I'm going to be increasing the risk. That is my risk management rule, and I don't play about it. I don't play about that. We start risking small, then we just keep on increasing. But at the back of the mind, you have to know when your account size, and you do not put a lot of pressure on it. Do you mind if I touch you, yeah?
And you know you can do better, baby. I know that it don't get no better than me. Let's not waste that time. You gotta hold back, cause I get inside. You won't change your mind, know that you can take it. You don't need to hesitate. Get in the pace, girl, I used to wait, yeah. I want you to give it to me. Come on, let me taste until I get enough.
Hope you're ready, cause I'ma beat it out.
Do you mind when I'm behind you, know how to heat it up? I should be the one, baby, you gon' learn that.
Girl, I know your body know every part.
We be going all night to the early. No, you know you wanna take off when you on my runway. We ain't gotta talk about these conversations. Everybody when I touch you,
You know what I'm saying? So I can, hey guys, good.
I'm just trying to get to know you.
You can't because of the YouTube time lag. So while you're here, focus on asking trading question and learning. Yeah.
Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? You know. We ain't got forever right now. You know. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve that. You know. We ain't got forever right now. You know.
And without this red carpet shit, baby,
Let me be the one, baby, do you mind?
I'ma do
I'ma keep my promise.
never treat you like a groupie.
Calamari dinners got you eating raw sushi. Still in the trap, but I like my bitches.
My friend challenged me. So tell me, the guy, how is it? Have you already hit your challenge or you're still doing it?
You want watches, you Versace, you want Celine? Top back, trimming money, ain't a team. Seen the Gucci wagons in my driveway. FaceTime, 2 black bottles by my fireplace.
I'm using the indicators with default settings.
Instagram ain't been the same since you so distant now. Took you shopping in other places that I won't name. First time your friends really got to see ball name. 20 million cash, seen that there with my 2 eyes.
We the best in
I
the
told you
takes
this
back in 05.
I'm trying to get to know ya. Get a little closer, baby, poster. Ooh, do you mind? 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 Do you think you mind all night? Baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, you. Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind?
Just in case you need me, I don't mind.
Let us get into this continuation move, guys. Let's see how it goes. This is a continuation move. So all continuation traders, mark your attendance. Continuation traders, comment locked in, because anytime I take continuation entries, all continuation traders, just comment locked in. And anytime I take reversal entries, I need you all reversal traders to comment locked in. Yeah. Gotta know your body, know every
You
cover.
used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself now. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started.
Okay, Austin is asking, how do you know when a pullback is over? So if I'm in a bullish market and the market has just given me a pullback, you anticipate the market is going in the opposite direction. That is, sellers are in the market. So like I always tell you, when it comes to a market structure, you have to know the strong points in the market. So for a bullish market, the strong point in it, what makes a strong point in a bullish market, it is a low, because it was strong enough to push the market high to take out the most recent high. So if the market is to pull back, it's going to pull. As a trader, you're going to anticipate the market to pull back and not take out a low. So if it takes out that low, you're going to shift your mindset from a bullish market to a bearish market. But if the market pulls back and it doesn't take out a low, then it gives you a bullish candlestick pattern. That is an engulfing candlestick pattern. That is a sign that the pullback is done and buyers are kicking in again. Like I always tell you, engulfing candlestick patterns, they can be used both as reversal and continuation. So in that case, if you see an engulfing candlestick pattern after pullback, that is a sign that the market is coming back to its original trend, which is bullish. The opposite is true for a bearish market. You are in a bearish market, the market breaks structure, it offers you a pullback, it continues a pullback. In a bearish market, it is when the market gives you buying opportunities. So you buy, but the market doesn't take out a high and it gives you a bearish candlestick confirmation. that is a sign that the market is getting into a continuation. Yeah, let me hope I've answered you, Austin. And you got it. You got it. You got it. Yeah, that's how you have to see it. So it is always important to know that in a bearish market, highs, they are the important ones. They are the protected points. The market is going to continuously be taking out lows, but pulling back and not taking out the highs. The moment you see a pullback and the market takes out that high in a bearish market, please shift your mindset to a bullish market. You can clearly see the structure here. Okay, the market tried to pull back and it gave you a bearish continuation. That was enough reason for you to start shifting your mindset. You have to continuously be looking at the charts, guys. You don't just look at your charts at the beginning and you start executing. Continuously, you have to be doing market analysis on the candles. Yes, market analysis does not stop. You're continuously analyzing the market, because the more you're analyzing the market, the more your mind is processing and looking for an entry. Okay. The guy, I can see you really hit the challenge on your second attempt. That's good. That's good. Honestly, I can see you fully locked in. You're fully locked in, and I'm glad you are able to share your experience on this trading assembly. I mean, guys, that's why we are always here, to share experience with fellow traders, because in that way someone is learning and we are also, and we are learning from each other. So any traders that are not locking in, comment locked in, because the markets are still running. From what I am seeing. All right, Cameroon love, good to see ya. From what you're seeing, you're going to lock in more. I mean, you all know, guys, that's the whole point of this trading assembly, to be fully locked in. And I'm glad some guys are really sharing their experience. And I can tell the experience is motivating more guys to lock in. That's you see this through. What can I say? 'Cause I recognize I'm trying, baby. See me do me da 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 da.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done. At work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one.
No less than I need you. When I see position, I'm close with you.
If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't want to rush into it if it's too soon.
But I know you need to get done.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me. Oh, yeah.
I spilled all my emotions, mad, I'm sorry.
Rolling.
How many more shots until you're on?
We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place.
Yeah, all continuation traders, it's time to comment locked in, because this is a continuation move. This is a continuation move. So all continuation traders, I need to see you comment locked in for life. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. This is a trading assembly. We are here to to learn. So feel free to ask any trading question. This is also another continuation move, guys. So all continuation traders, feel free to comment locked in for live.
Yo, Gigi, turn it up. I'ma be honest, I'ma put it like this. I ain't really nothing like them other bitches. I don't be on Twitter on that messy ass shit. Need attention from no rap to get in position.
There's somebody who can do it like me. And I'm different cause say I'm unique.
If you ain't nobody, I can you critique it.
Can't really criticize or just hating on me.
I feel like I'm the hardest bitch up on my city. I don't really see nobody fucking with me. Can't hit nobody with a pies like me.
If you know somebody, you gotta have to show me.
No, it ain't easy to be me. They can't do this shit like me. No. I don't wanna hang out, I be in my own zone. Don't ever think I need you, I could do it on my own. I could go a whole day without being on my phone. I'm fitting with
This is a reversal move, so all reversal traders comment locked in. Okay, I'm seeing. Actually, Cameron, I asked here, guys, which side do they take? Which side do they trade? And most traders commented they prefer trading continuations compared to reversals. We only had few traders that found reversal entries easier for them to capture compared to continuation. So we didn't have anyone voting in between apparently. Okay, guys, let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into the donations right away. They can do this shit on me, no. You're the only one who is in between.
She wanna go viral. Fucking for hours. That pussy got power.
You're the only one who is in between. You're the only one who is in between. Traders chose their sides and they're fully locked in from there. Anyways, guys, someone comment ready because we are getting onto our first participants for tonight. And if you want to be part of the donation, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Wishing luck to all participants for tonight.
Left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in a track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot
Our first
slide.
attempt is
Basically,
locked
I'm
in.
saying
We are
either
getting
way we
into
bout to slide.
looking for
Can't
a
let this one
second.
slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot, yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block, oh, yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it not.
Maybe none.
I don't know what's wrong with me, I can't stop, oh, yeah. Won't stop, yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they staying. Black leather glove, no sequins. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up,
right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way, we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Two-C slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, it'll always be another time. I'm not even tripping with the CM in the summertime. Whoa, yeah. Can't describe the pressure I be putting.
Okay, just one more to go.
Really, I just can't afford to lose nobody else. Yeah. If I'm over shaky, we just do the shit I sell for. If I'm over shaky, Chelsea do the shit himself. Yeah. Solo niggas don't even know for real. Heard a lot about you, but we don't know for real. Next time, guarantee the truth will get revealed.
Black leather glove, no sequin.
Yeah, buckles on my jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece and got a dance.
Okay, this is already moving well. We are having two candles closing above my move. This is a good sign. And you know, guys, you know how much I love such entries which I execute and they immediately go in my direction. So let me see you type congratulations to our first participant. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it.
Go right foot up, left foot slide.
Left foot up, right foot slide.
Basically, I'm saying either way we gotta slide.
Talking in my sleep at night.
On to our next. I'm on my mind, out of my mind.
Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times. He makes it feel like nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I to myself.
Yeah, to myself, I do.
One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling cause he's drunk and alone.
Two,
don't let him in. You have to kick him out again. Three, don't be his friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're under him, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count them.
three attempts to go for our first participant. So let's see how it goes. Oh my god, seems like buyers are trying to play me here. Damn. Okay guys, let us refund and try again. You know, if I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us do that.
Don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in. You have to kick. Talking in my sleep at night, making myself crazy.
Out of my mind.
Wrote it down and read it out, hoping it would save me. Too many times. He makes it feel like nobody else. But my love, he doesn't love me, so I to myself.
Our first attempt is in, guys, and I'm loving this already. Okay, just two more to go. Two more to go.
I keep pushing forwards, but he keeps pulling me backwards. Nowhere to turn. Now I'm standing back from it. I finally see the pattern. I never learned. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself, I do. One, don't pick up the phone. You know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone. Two, don't let him in.
Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. My strategy is simple. It's price action. So by the way I see things, we only have one trader who executes both sides, that is continuations and reversals, and we have other traders, they are just strictly continuation traders and reversal traders. So that's where we are. Interesting. Raphael, that phase you are in, I think I've also been there. There are those days actually when the market shows you that you didn't come here to play. And all you have to do is, when you have actually, most of the times when you blow your account, clarity kicks in and you start rewatching all videos that you have to rewatch to get this thing right. Anyways, let me see you type congratulations to our participant. 3 attempts are locked in. And you know how we do it, guys. You know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see you type more congrats. More congrats.
My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit done change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was on this shit, I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never friendly. Yeah. Now I'm jumping out of bed. Yeah. And I know I sound dramatic. Yeah. But I know I had to have it. Yeah. For the money, I'm a savage. Yeah. I be itching like I had it. Yeah. I'm surrounded 20 babies. Yeah.
But you didn't know me last year.
Yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my dog.
Guys, we are just looking for one attempt.
Everyone counting on me, drop the ball.
So we are gonna wait and lock it in. If you're falling high to the sky, how can I make sense when I got millions on my mind?
My mama calls, see you on TV. Sunset shit done change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changing, look.
Oh my god, look at this crazy selling candle happening here. Dang. Oh my lord.
Now I can scream that we made it.
Sorry about that. Let us refund and try again. You know, when I take a loss on a first attempt, I refund. Let us do that.
Now I got a situation. Never old been Frank. Big rings, champagne. My life is like a ball game. But instead I'm in the trap though. Not so big, call it Super Bowl. Super Bowl, call the hoes. Get in the rolls.
Top last round.
Malone, I got a plan on my phone. You know what I'm on. Huncho who did it is gone. My mama called, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all.
Let us watch out for another move. Player one say congratulations.
Vacation. They ain't never had a dedication. People hate, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it.
Structure is so bullish, but you know, guys, every time you see the market, there are those moments when the market is just being the market. That moments in the markets, every single candle are unique. That's why actually you should know that you can execute when everything is right and the market goes against you based on that fact. Oh my god. Damn. It's really coming after this entry. Oh my god. Sorry about that. Anderson. Next time better.
I used to be quiet till I brought that loud. You say your dollars is a mountain, and your mama your accountant. You watch your figures, you a big deal.
Big deal.
Fresh Prince and a big wheel.
Big wheel.
Mink coat, that's a big kill. Put you on fall like a windshield. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Yeah. Never gonna not. Your loving is just too.
And every time you hit my phone, you say you company.
I'm a renegade.
Okay, it seems like structure is shifting bearish. Let us watch out and see. The moment the market pulls back and takes out a high, then we are going to start considering buyers. But for now, we are still anticipating sellers in the market. Actually, I saw someone asking, how do you know to take a pullback? How do you know when I'm taking a pullback in a bearish market? It is simple. The market breaks structure downside and it gives me a bullish confirmation. That is a candlestick pattern. That's just enough reason for me to execute in anticipation of a pullback. If you're reading the markets and that makes sense to you, execute. Whatever happens after your execution, that's not your business. Your business is to look for confirmations and you execute. You cannot control what happens after. You have no control over that. So if you find yourself not executing, that should be enough reason for you to do it. We can't control what happens after you open an entry. Like now, I've executed buys. I have no reason. I cannot push the market to go up. I just have to wait and see. Honestly, if that clocks in for you, then you are ready to trade. If you're really able to clock that into your trading.
Come and get it at a nighttime high. Full of honey to make him sweet. So ballin' just to help him feel what he's been missing.
Okay, we are in again, guys. This is a reversal move. So all reversal traders, comment locked in. Reversal traders, comment locked in. I'll make you fall in love. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe and so about magic. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe and it's all like magic. If you're looking for Mr. Right, need that magic to change him overnight. Actually, we only had two reversal traders. And that is Raphael. I forgot the other guy. I can see you're locked in, Raphael. I don't know what my category is. Your category? We are here to find it out. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations to our participants. We have hit our target, and you know how we do it. Everything goes. Oh, you belong to me. Everything goes to the participant right away. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe and so around magic. Alright, I'm seeing someone is asking, can two candles engulf one candle? For example, one engulfs one half and the other engulfs the other half. No. It doesn't happen like that. To have a valid either bullish or engulfing candlestick pattern, you have to see, for a bullish candle, you have to see the first candle is always red or the first candle is bearish. The other candle that comes after it has to be green or a bullish candle, and it covers both the body and the wicks. That's what makes an engulfing candlestick pattern valid. The entire body of the previous candle is covered, including its wicks. So for a bearish, the opposite is true. It is just a bullish candle that is covered by a big bearish candle. There is nothing like one candle covers half and the other covers the other part. No, it is only two candles and one is covered entirely by the body of the next candle. And the covered candle, it is body including its wicks. So if you see the wicks are not covered, that is not engulfing. Everything has to be covered. Baby, you're amazing. This is our second attempt, guys. Anticipating more sellers coming up. Wait, damn buyers. Oh my god. They have invalidated our move, guys.
Don't the water grow the trees? Don't the moon pull the tide? Don't the stars light the sky?
I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Our second attempt has been taken out.
Anything in life,
I'm sorry about that.
both can get it right tonight.
Emeka.
Got your walls built up high.
Got all that look here in your eyes.
You don't understand how much you really mean to me. I need you in my life, you're my necessity, yeah. But believe me, you're everything that just makes my world complete. My love is clear, the only thing that I'll ever see. All I ever need. Baby,
On to the next. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. We are here to learn. Austin, you're welcome.
to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all. When it comes to you, baby, I'm addicted. You're like a drug, no rehab can fix it. I think you're perfect, baby, even with your flaws. You ask what I like about you, ooh, I love it all. All I ever need, baby, you're amazing. You're my angel, come and save me. Yeah. You're all I ever need. Baby, you're amazing. You're an angel, come and save me. Save me.
Bitches, she got bitches. I'm up to this song.
Market attendance, Jordan, where are you watching me from?
I know you anxious, I'm impatient, don't wanna wait.
Where are you watching me from? Where are you watching me from?
Try to play it off.
Bad Pels, good to see ya.
With this tongue, I'll make you unlike
Good
the
to have
bubble
you. Good to have you.
When I eat it, look in my eyes. Teach you a lesson, we ain't just sex and I will I know the real well, girl, I can fly. She said I love you, I said heard you and I love the love. I'm up this jacket, got me feeling like the 909. When she ride my face, I call her my little ride or die.
Let's see.
Love the way you looking, right there. Time I got that falling. And I love the way you ride. It's just me when you see that sunlight. You can bring your own girl to sleep right. She driving on my time inside.
Okay, I can see someone from USA, Miami. By the way, guys, I'm thinking of taking a vacation. And I'm yet to take one. I'm choosing between either next month or the other month. So you guys, you better be suggesting nice vacation spots. This is our second attempt, guys. Let us watch out and see how it goes. Okay, we're already having 2 candles closing above our entry. Locked in. Baltimore says hi. Okay, good to have you, dear. Yeah. Nah. Please, I'm not coming. Thank you. I visited Hawaii. All right, Bali. I go to Bali. Hey, guys, I'm taking notes. But is there anyone who hasn't been to Bali? Because it's like, okay. The guy is heading to Japan, guys, this year in December. Okay. We are taking our final attempt. Let us see how it goes.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. Some little dream man riding in a bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool on your friends. So we sitting with your girls on the weekend. 17.
Let me see. Type congratulations to Jackson. You're a high school girl. But you don't trust it, no. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant right away. Three attempts are locked in. Let's do that. That's the fuck we do. Everything for you. Drama is for you.
Take that L, you lose. Take that L, you lose. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. She got a little bit of drum with her friends. Yeah. Every lost girl I know is over 26. Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. You get your body to me, I body that.
The storage I'm using, it's pure price action. Actually, talking about pure price action, I saw someone asking, what's the difference between price action, market structure, and market conditions? Price action is just the strategy, but we all know when it comes to having a strategy, there are things that you look out for that make up your strategy. So price action is the strategy. Market conditions, market structure are part of the things that make up my strategy. By market condition, it basically just means the types of markets that we deal with. We all know we deal with a bullish market, bearish market, and a sideways market. Then market structure, these are the movements that happen in the market. We all know a market doesn't move in a straight line. The market moves in series of creating a high and a low, So it's all about knowing that when you are in a bullish market, structure is series of higher highs and higher lows. Bearish markets, series of lower highs and lower lows. Sideways market, the market does not move forming that structure. It just bounces in between, but not creating a structured way of a trendy market. Yeah, let me hope you got that. Our first attempt is in, guys. We are going to look for our second attempt. Take that L, you lose. Do I have to say this? But let me say it. Continuation traders, comment locked in because this is a continuation move. It's getting interesting here. Continuation traders, comment locked in because this was a continuation entry. And let me see you type congratulations to Maxwell. 2 attempts are fully locked in.
Baby, hop in my ride. Who's hot as hell outside? Put the top down, doors closed, hand up on your thigh. Drive slow.
Let me see, Jeff. Congratulations, guys.
Every little thing you do got me feeling some type of way. When you give me that thunder, you make my summer rain.
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participants
Every day,
and won't stop. Locked in, engulfing. All right, all right.
When we pull up to the beach, same down in my face, sun down, nobody round, that's one hell of a scene. You rockin' my body,
Rocking our body.
don't sound familiar. And you sound like hey, hey, looking up in the space. It's just me and my babe, and we feel so amazing. All night. Every little thing you do got me feeling some type of way. When you give me that thunder, you make my summer rain.
Make me a vessel.
Every day, and it won't stop.
What do you mean second attempt? Okay. Guys, the names you're seeing on the screen, and you see 2, that is the number of attempts I'll be taking on a particular trade. So that's what I be meaning by second attempt. And I be trading for the participants. If you want to be part of the participants, you can use the donation link down in the description. And surely your name will be on the list with the number of attempts you want. We are in with our first attempt. We are in and it is locked in, so let us get our second and final attempt.
And it won't stop. Boom, boom. And it won't stop. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. The way we move, skin on the skin, no separation, no conversation, nah, nah, nah. On everything.
Guys, if I'm to share one thing about trading psychology that you should remember always, being patient is really important for any trader. Being patient is really important for any trader, because patiently waiting for a move, the times you wait for a move, you're going to find yourself that most of the time your entries are really going to be much better. And I always see traders commenting that whenever they execute their entries, their hearts start racing. They feel like they want their heart is about to jump out. And that thing, I realized sometimes it happens like that because you really took an entry when you are not sure. You are just trying maybe to chase a candlestick because you saw a few green candles consecutively following themselves. Then you decided to buy, but immediately you buy, the market actually goes against you. So to help you with your psychology and to be more confident in your entries, try to be patient and have a reason why you're taking a move. Then if you cannot explain why you took that particular move, then you shouldn't be taking it. You should always have a reason backing up your entries. That way, even when the market goes against you, you know that you did the right thing based on your strategy. Just the market was being the market. That is very, very important to always remember whenever you're trading. Okay, guys, let me see you type congratulations to Imogen. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations to Imogen. 2 attempts are in. 2 attempts are in, fully locked in. Give me life. The market being the market. Honestly, you cannot deny that fact that it happens, because we all know there are times you analyze the market, you have every reason why you took that entry from that zone, but the market would just be the market and go against you. That is the risk that comes with trading also. You have to know that as a trader. That's why they always said there is no strategy that will give you 100% positive wins. There are moments where you're going to have everything right, but the market is being the market. That's why risk management is important to save you in such moments. Okay, on to our final participant for tonight. Feel free to ask any trading question. All the indicators, guys, I'm using them with default settings, and I'm not only executing based on the indicator. I use the indicators plus pure price action as my strategy. No matter what you do, I only want to do bad things to you. So good. What can I say? It's complicated.
Nothing's that bad if it feels good. So you come back like I knew you would. And we're both wild and the night's young. Enjoy my drug, breathe you into my face, no. Drop it down to that bass drum. I got what you dream about. Nail scratching my back tap. Eyes closed when you scream out and you keep me in with those hips. While my teeth sinking those lips. While your body's giving me life. And you suffocating my kiss. Then you said
I want you forever, even when we're not together.
Scars on my body so I can take you wherever. Like I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and never. Am I out of my head? Am I
Out of my mind.
If you wanna give the bad things I like, don't think that I can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Hey, I can't explain it. I love the pain. And I love the way that your breath melts me like Novocaine. And we are always high.
Keep it strange, okay, I'm insane.
But you the same. Let me paint the picture. Couch by the kitchen. Hey, nothing but your heels on. Losing our religion. You're my pretty little fiction. And I'm that voice inside your head that keeps telling you to listen to all the bad things I say. And you said I want you forever, even when we're not together.
Hey, this is some crazy pullback here. Let us watch out and see.
scars on my body, I can look at you and never get them.
Guys, you all know this trading assembly. If there is something I would honestly share with you, I wouldn't advise any trader, especially if you have really tested core market conditions, to really be on a demo account. You would rather be on a real account but with little capital, because if you're really looking forward to, because trading most of the time it's all about having a market psychology, and me I wouldn't agree that you can have that market psychology you have on a real account compared to a demo account. Honestly, I don't think that can happen. I don't think, because you know what makes market psychology is, as traders, we are normal human beings. We really get attached to our capital sometimes. That's why you find those are the things be limiting you. Now, if you are really on a demo account, I don't think you have any attachment or any care, because I mean, it's a demo. I don't think really traders put in that much. And that is one thing really me as a trader, when I was starting out, I didn't do, guys. I'm one of the traders that skipped that phase of demo accounts. To be honest, I didn't start any. I started out trading on a real account. It's just that the accounts I was trading out when I was starting out, they were really, I wouldn't say they were big accounts, they were tiny accounts. Yeah, but at least I was there. I knew psychology. I knew how to have discipline, because I mean, there is a way you just have that you try. The losses you get on a demo cannot hit you. They hit different. Actually, I don't feel like there is a way they really make any change in your trading compared to the losses you're going to be taking on a real account. Because on a real account, even the losses you take, whether small or big, it's going to be a lesson that the next time something happens like that in the market, you will know that I did this and a loss happened. Maybe this time round, let me do this other way and I see what happens. But if you're on a demo, I feel like all those things do not happen. But anyways, the things I'm sharing, they are purely from my own experience as a trader. I don't know. Maybe you guys have a different experience, but that's what I feel. You cannot build trading psychology on a demo account. That's why whenever you switch on a real account, it's hard. But you should also focus on building discipline on a real account. That's where things be happening.
Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me tripping on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you. My bad, I'm tripping on you. Make me know you, yeah. My bad, tripping on you.
Just one attempt to go, guys. One attempt. Trip.
It's big enough, baby. Drip. It's big enough, got me tripping on you. I'm tripping. I've been sipping. That's how I control this feeling. Keep gifting you, keep on hitting it. Maybe it's your love, it's too good to be true. Baby boy, your love got me tripping on you. You know your love is big enough, make me trip on you. Yeah, it's big enough, got me tripping on you. Tripping on you.
The guy, you know the WhatsApp, we only tripping on the markets, guys. You're only tripping on the markets. How long did it take for you to learn how to trade? Actually, just learning how to trade, it really didn't take me a long time, guys. It's just to really shift my mindset to being a real trader and to stop playing. It's what really took me long. But in between there, I already knew what to do. It's just that, shifting your mindset from I cannot do it to I can do it. I can actually do it. It is what really sometimes delays, guys. Yeah, but I've been trading for 4 years, so, and every year that passes, we are learning. You keep on learning more, and your skill keeps on developing. That's why being consistent is important. Because if you're consistent this year and the next year and the other year, you can't be in the same place as someone who is inconsistent. How are you going to grow when you're inconsistent?
Okay, I don't wear no makeup, no purse in my hand. My resting bitch face is mistaken for the mean girl. But what if I told you there's nothing I want more in this world than somebody who loves me naked?
Okay, let me see. Type congratulations to Vivia. Let me see. Type congratulations to Vivia. 3 attempts are in.
Are you ready to fight just to see what's lost behind my flaws?
Can you love me naked? And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. Might be a bitch in the morning, so catch me at night time.
Some of my friends think I'm moody, but I think I'm just fine.
Guys, the platform I'm using, it's Pocket Options, and there's a link in the description for it. At the end of the night, I need somebody. There's a link in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me anything. I also have a Telegram channel. You can join a community of traders, because why not? There's a link in the description for Skynet trading bots. So reach out to Skynet support team and you get a free trading bot. Guys, I have a Signal group. All you have to do if you want to join the Signal group is to create an account with my link. Write to me with proof via Telegram, then I'll surely add you to my Signal group. So we are always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Be sure to mark your attendance as we learn. We learn about trading, my strategy and all. 8 p.m. UK time, we are always here. You guys are crazy. You're so crazy. What the? You cannot view trading psychology on a demo account. This thing is only viewed on a real account. Guys, no one can convince me. I need traders to convince me on that. Any trader that has ever viewed serious trading psychology on a demo, please prove to me that you did. Prove to me that you did, because personally I don't think it is possible. But anyways, every trader has their own experience. But if you have been in the real markets and you have really dealt with a real market, guys, the psychology that comes around when it comes on real markets. And I feel like a demo account can't give you that experience. You need to experience it yourself. Anyways, guys, we catch up again tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. I love you so much. Good night. Bye.